Hi guys, this is Kelly and Kelvin. We're just putting together a quick video to help with reshaping of baskets. As you can see here, we've got our market baskets, round baskets, Moses and change baskets. This is typically how we pack them in Ghana to keep the freight costs down. Obviously it's a lot more cost efficient to stack baskets together and to have them flattened. And this is how they will arrive to you, to your retail store. So we just wanted to put together a quick video to demonstrate how easy it is to reshape them. So if we start with the Moses baskets, so Kelvin's going to pull the middle basket out.
So as you can see, this is quite misshapen at the moment, but
it's not the ideal shape that you would want to display in store. So we'll just show you how to get that back into the right shape. We'll just get some space on the table and reshape this Moses basket. So we have a little spray bottle here that we use to reshape our baskets. It's really compact and easy to keep. We take it with us when we're doing markets and things like that. And today it's quite a cold, overcast day with no sunlight. So doing a light spray is really ideal.
so we start initially by spraying the tops all through here, because often they are the first parts to be misshapen. So once you've just given it a very quick spritz, we will then spray the middle slightly just to dampen it with water. So this is just water, nothing more than water. Then we do the outside as well, also very quick. So particularly any part where you see it's more so misshapen than others. And then we give it about a minute or so just to soak up the water. So I'll move on now also to our round baskets as well. So as you can see, our baskets can sometimes come packed and stacked within each other. So what we do is we stack it inside it by folding it and flattening it. So what I'll do is normally you will unpack these baskets by pushing out the first outer basket. So it's a very simple push and it pops out like that.
So Kelvin just popped his hand inside here and popped that out. That now creates space for you to pull the inside basket out.
So you just turn it and it will just pop out like that. Then again, just pop that out, and you can see they're all quite misshapen as a result. So again, same thing. We spray the top part, which tends to be the most misshapen part, and then again we spritz all the rest of it, the inside, and then allow some time to dry. Same thing here as well. So
Go back to the Moses.
you'll probably notice that's probably been about a minute or so since we sprayed this. So now we can reshape it. And what we do is we always start again with the top part. Then the middle. And as you can see, that's now shaped.
Alright, moving on to the round basket. So it's quite easy, you're really just using your hands to mold it back into shape. That looks good. You want to try the next one? Very nice.
So this one happens to be more misshapen than the rest, but again, simply just use your hands to mold it. Doing the tops first, and then the middle. And there we are.
Nice. So I hope you found this tutorial pretty easy and straightforward, but just shoot me an email if you've got any questions, guys.